Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our next question is a very basic question. Print first N Fibonacci numbers. Somebody pronounce it as Fibonacci or Fibonacci. I'll use Fibonacci. Fibonacci series is a series where the N number, like for example, if you want to find the third number in this series, that is the sum of its previous two numbers. So the third number is 2. Fourth number similarly will be the sum of its previous two numbers, that is 3. Then it will return as 5, then 8, and similarly to n infinity numbers, right? However, in the question it is defined as the first two numbers of the series are 1 and 1. Sometimes we assume it as 0 and 1. First two numbers are 0 and 1. Next it is 1, then it is 2, then it is 3, then it is 5, and so on. But here in the question it is stated as that the first two numbers of the series are 1 and 1. So the next 2, 3 and 5. So we are given n. We have to generate all the Fibonacci numbers and store that in a vector data structure, right? So we have initialized a vector because the return type of the function is vector long. Now if the number integer that is given to us is less than 0, we will simply return this empty vector, because below 0 we have no series, as the question is stating that the first two numbers will be 1. Similarly, if n is equals to 1, we will write 1 in the answer and we will return this. Then what we will do is we will start by filling the answer with first two values 1 and 1, and then if I is equals to then we will run a for loop for I is equals to 2 to n, from index 2 to n. The remaining will be the next index number 2. Let's say this is 0 and 1. The index number 2 will be filled as the sum of this previous two elements. Okay? Then we will run a for loop and we will fill answer.push_back answer of I minus 1 plus answer of I minus 2. We would have also used recursion, but the return type is vector and the addition of two vectors is not allowed in C++. Mind it, addition of two vectors is not allowed in C++. So we can use a simple for loop and this question goes well off with that. Thank you. Consider subscribing the channel too for more such videos.